Devil Dog here, guys. Hit the like and subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you a bunch of chickens. Hope you enjoy it.
Hi, Steven. Ow, quit, Mama. Mama chicken, quit pecking me. They like bare legs. She's a silver lace Wyandotte. I can't even get her. There she goes. She's a regular size Cochin. Right there. What? What are you doing? That is Kyle. He's a light Brahma, but he's a, see the size difference? He's a Bantam, and the other light Brahma just ran out. And this is Steven. He's a Bantam Japanese whitetail. Hey, Kyle. Hey, Kyle. Oh, shoot. She's broody. She got all them eggs down there. That's Beaker. I guess she ran out because Jamie was throwing stuff. As you see, oh, Melba's laying now. She's the naked neck. What you doing up there? Hey, what's you doing? What's you doing, pretty girl? You want your 2 seconds of fame? What? What you talking about? What? What, baby? But sometimes they do get broody. Like right now, Melba's not broody. But when they get broody, if you reach in there, they can peck. They'll try to peck you. But she's not broody. She's just laying. Now she is broody. So if I try to reach in here, I might get pecked. What's up, baby? Yep, you hear her talking, and she's backing up. I don't really want to get pegged, but I'll just show you. Maybe I'll get pegged. It don't hurt really. Well, just a little bit. See how she's fluffing all up? Oh, here's Beaker. Beaker's broody. Come here, Beaker. Come here. She's broody. That's Flo. She's another naked neck. And she pecked the camera. Now, see, Beaker's broody, but she's also sweet. She's the one that's laying on all these eggs down here. See, she's a troublemaker. Just little, she bite me. It don't really hurt, but she's a little troublemaker. But she is broody right now. What, Beaker? See, her beak's kind of. She was born. Her beak's kind of crossed. Go away. Yeah, she's broody. She pecking me, saying, "Leave me alone. Get out of here." But usually, Beaker I can pick up real easily. See. What? Talking? What? What? Quit moving your head, Melba. That's a silver-laced Wyandotte. Hi, baby. And they surround me. Oh, baby. Are you pretty? They also call these naked necks Turkins. Just another name for them. While I'm here, I'll show you, well, the Americanas and our Silkies. Alright, these are our Americanas, and there's our rooster, Americana rooster, if you see him. The other ones in here are hens. So if you notice, we have our Americanas separated from, these are our egg layers. They're just a bunch of different kinds of chickens. They're all pure breed right now. Later on they won't be, they'll just be barn mix. But that's why I say different kinds, like the baby Rui's a copper Marin, and then she's a mottled Houdan, and we have a bunch of different types in there. But if you noticed, we have them separated by a partition here from our Silkies, and I'll show you our Silkies here in a minute. But these are all our Americanas, and we raised them from baby chicks, but I haven't socialized them quite as much as I have the big ones. But you notice they're still pretty tame, except for the rooster right there. But I'm fixing to try to flip this around, try to find a place to phone, see if y'all can see me. All right, y'all should be able to see me. The more time you spend with the chickens and you feed them out of your hand, the more tame they get. And I'll show you here in a minute if Steven comes to me over there, but I can actually make them fly up on my arms. Not these quite yet, but just give them a little bit of bread, treats, and you can't see them. Let me back up. May not be able to hear me, but they should fly up here where you can see them. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. One of the things with chickens, with hens really, we don't feed them bread or treats or anything, scratch or anything like that when they're young, because with chickens especially, you need to feed them grit, which helps them dissolve like harder food or whatever. And then the little hens and stuff, and the boys will eat it too, but the little hens you want to feed oyster shell, and when they lay it makes the egg shell harder and things like that. So we have little oyster shell and grit things plus their food and water. See, he's a little rooster that we're gonna get rid of, and that other one, but she's the one we had from a little baby. Aren't you, sweetie? And my hand's getting in the way a little bit, sorry. Come on, Trooper, get some. There you go. Look at all my girls over there wanting some. There. Alrighty, enough time for now from Trooper and the girls, the little silkies. And if you notice, compared to my hand size, they're like little bantams. They're little small. These are fully grown chickens, but they're a little small. They're cute though. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video of my chickens today. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button, I believe over here. And let me know if you want me to video anything else, any other chickens that I have, or give me some suggestions. Once again, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Semper Fi.